the moisture content in the medium, right? So using your water, you're watering your plants. How do you monitor the moisture content? You mentioned the EcoWit. Is that what you're using?
Yeah, it's an EcoWit. I didn't start that. I kind of just did the whole build a soil method, slap the bed, and see if there's weight down there. Kind of maybe move my cover crop a little bit and see if there's moisture on top. Um, but then, like I said, I traveled so much for work, and I wasn't about to ask the wife to take care of the three kids and go down here and do these steps. So I saw the EcoWit, and I went ahead and bought them for all my beds, just so as a reinsurance, and makes my practicing better, because then I can use my gut and not rely on that so much. I'm like, okay, maybe my gut was right. So it really is a game changer for me. It just goes to show that the technology is so advanced now that you don't even have to be home and you can grow plants as long as you have, a partner or somebody that can help you along the way.
That's awesome. Now, are you hand watering or you do have an auto watering system going or what?
Well, I'm kind of doing both right now. I did the blue mat when I was running synthetic, and I don't think I had it dialed in properly. Three of the plants went good. The other three didn't go so good, and I'm pretty sure it was a moisture reason, or maybe I got a bubble in the sensor or the carrot. So now with the bigger beds, which I thought about going blue soak, but they're just watered in hand with a Chapin. I water those in, and the 30-gallon that I have in the 3x3 tank, it's blue mat and I got it set up properly because she's healthy, she's happy, the reservoir is going down, and it's been awesome. So I kind of been experimenting with the blue mat now that I kind of know more about what I'm doing and what I'm looking for. And that's where the EcoWit came in handy too, because that first watering can be everything. If you don't have that moisture right, you're setting yourself up for failure. So I think that went a long way with me, being newer to growing, that helped me to have that little cheat to get the moisture right and then realize, okay, this is what it should feel like. This is when I should probably water at this stage. So the blue mat is definitely handy. And like I said, I think eventually I'll try to get a blue soak on the beds just because I travel so much and take a little more off the wife and maybe water some stuff in on the weekends.
I love blue mats. It makes things so much easier as far as dialing in that moisture level. I mean, you don't even need a moisture meter if you have a blue mat system, as long as you have that guess to begin that you think the moisture level is good, right? Like you said, if it's too moist and you add in that blue mat, could lead to overwatering symptoms and so on and so forth. But if you add in that blue mat system at the perfect moisture level, it just maintains it and it makes things so much easier. So yeah, I love blue mats. I speak about them too much, actually.
Well, they are. They're for the little technology that's involved. It's there's no plugging nothing in, and it is there. It's a great system. I need to get some of them caps because now with the cover crop and everything growing up, I didn't see nothing. So when I go in there to kind of maybe chop and drop, I'm worried I'm going to hit that little nozzle and mess up my settings. So I'm definitely going to get one of those.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.